A comforting message from God for the one who is tired of being strong. My beloved child, I know how heavy your heart feels right now. I know the quiet sadness that follows you through the day and sits beside you at night. I know the way your smile fades the moment you are alone. You do not have to explain it to me. I already understand. I see you when you feel invisible. I hear you when your voice stays silent. I am near you when you feel alone. You have been caring more than anyone realizes. You have tried to stay strong for others, even when you felt like you were falling apart inside. You have told yourself to keep going, to stop feeling this way, to just be better. But your heart is tired, and that exhaustion is real. Listen to me gently now. You are not weak for feeling this way. You are not broken beyond repair. You are not a disappointment to me. Depression has a way of making you believe that something is wrong with you, that you are failing at life, that everyone else is moving forward while you are stuck. But that is not the truth. Pain does not mean failure. Struggle does not mean you are losing. It means you are human and you are hurting. I know there are days when getting out of bed feels impossible. Days when your body moves but your soul feels empty. Days when you wonder if things will ever change. On those days, I am not standing far away, waiting for you to do better. I am sitting close to you, holding you when you cannot hold yourself. You do not need to impress me. You do not need to pretend you are okay. You do not need to hide your tears. I am not afraid of your sadness. I am not offended by your questions. I am not disappointed by your weakness. I am drawn closer to you in your pain, not farther away. When you feel numb, I am still with you. When you feel hopeless, I am still working. When you feel unlovable, my love for you has not changed. There are moments when you ask, why am I like this? Moments when you feel guilty for being sad, especially when others seem to have it worse. But pain is not a competition. Your hurt matters because you matter. You are not behind in life. You are not running out of time. You are not forgotten. Even now, there is a future waiting for you. One with peace you cannot yet imagine, with healing that will come slowly and gently, with moments of joy that will surprise you. You may not feel hope today, and that is okay. You do not have to carry hope right now. Let me carry it for you. Give me your fear. Give me your exhaustion. Give me the thoughts you are afraid to say out loud. I am strong enough to hold them. You are still here for a reason. Your life still has meaning, even when you cannot feel it. The fact that you are breathing, reading these words, surviving another day, this matters more than you know. Stay with me. Breathe. One moment at a time. I have not let go of you. I never will.